How to enable low data mode on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable low data mode on your iPhone. It's perfect if you're trying to save mobile data or manage your usage on limited plan. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your iPhone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on cellular. Now here inside the cellular, simply tap on the option labeled as cellular data option. Now here you can see the option labeled as low data mode. So simply toggle on that option. And these settings will help you to reduce background activity and auto downloads, which can save a lot of data. And if you want to enable low data mode on Wi-Fi too, here is how you can do it. So simply go back and here tap on Wi-Fi. Now tap on the eye icon next to your connected network, and once you have opened the settings, you can see the option labeled as low data mode. So simply toggle on that option. And that's it. Now you have enabled low data mode on your iPhone. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.